Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to look at a service called Plastiq. So according to their website, they offer a service in which you can use your credit card to pay for just about anything. So this would include things like your rent or mortgage. Most cases, probably 99% of the cases, you can't use credit card to pay your rent or mortgage, and now you'll be able to use your credit card to pay that. Other things like raw materials that you may need for business. So depending on your business, there may be materials and things you need for that business. You can now use your credit card to pay for those things also. And they even claim that you could pay your taxes using your credit card. So this is definitely something new and would be exciting to be able to pay even your taxes with a credit card. So when it comes to velocity banking, we were always limited on what we could use when using that strategy with a credit card. So normally we would have to separate out the bills that could be paid with credit card and the bills that cannot be paid with credit card, and we weren't able to utilize our entire income. So the effectiveness of that velocity banking wasn't as powerful. So now with this new service and being able to use the credit card, with things like your car payment where you used to couldn't pay it with a credit card, now you can. Your rent and your mortgage again can now be paid with a credit card, and even those bills that you used to couldn't use your credit card to pay with, you can now pay with. So now with this new service and the ability to pay just about anything with a credit card, we can now use a credit card as a line of credit. And we can now chunk to any debt regardless of whether before you used to be able to use it with a credit card or not. And so now whenever you get paid, we can now utilize all of that income and put that back into the line of credit, or in this case, back into the credit card. So that question will arise, will this make sense for everyone? Well, of course it will. It wouldn't make sense for someone who could already get a line of credit, a personal line of credit, HELOC, something like that. It wouldn't make sense to use this strategy. But if you had no other option and you realize that, hey, this can help me get out of debt faster, it's definitely worth exploring. So another question may be on people's mind is, how much do they charge? Now, of course, Plastiq wouldn't be in business if they didn't charge a fee. So normally, according to their website, the fees range between 1 to 3% per transaction. Again, does this make sense for everyone? No. But if it can help your current situation and you have no other options, then it's definitely worth exploring. And then by doing this, eventually you can clear out your debt, increase your credit score, and obtain a personal line of credit, or even if you're buying a house, a HELOC or something to that effect. Okay, so let's take a look at how Plastiq works. So you'll log into their website and you can sign up for a free account. During this sign up process, you will add the information of who it is that you want to pay, and then you'll add the credit card number in which you want to use to pay that bill with. Plastiq would then process those card payments, and your bill will get paid by either wire, a check, or ACH. So it seems like a pretty straightforward process. You enter the information, you enter your credit card, you click pay, and they will pay that bill. So, and then you get charged a small fee for doing that. But they send those payments straight to those creditors for you. So now, of course, all of this will take some planning, especially if you're new to it or you're just starting out. So we'll basically have to account for turnaround times, We'll need to run some numbers to make sure that it even makes sense. But again, just knowing that this is an option out there is well worth exploring. So guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you in the next video.